Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. OBD-II Code B2000 is a Manufacturer Controlled DTC, meaning that it is specific to the vehicle manufacturer. It is not a universal code and requires specific information from the manufacturer to diagnose and repair. When you encounter this OBD error, the vehicle typically exhibits the following symptoms. 1. Check engine light is on. 2. Vehicle may not start. Now we talk about possible causes, and how to diagnose and fix. Faulty manufacturer control module. Use an OBD-II scanner to check for any other related codes. Check for any recalls or technical service bulletins, TSBs, related to the specific make and model of the vehicle. Contact the manufacturer for specific diagnostic and repair procedures. It may require reprogramming or replacing the control module. Faulty wiring or connectors. Visually inspect the wiring and connectors for any damage or corrosion. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and proper voltage at the connectors. Repair or replace any damaged wiring or connectors. Ensure proper connection and secure any loose connections. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.